Ugly to some, vital to the planet, vultures are nature's cleanup crew. With razor-sharp beaks and stomach acid stronger than battery acid, they devour the dead without getting sick, stopping disease in its tracks. From Africa's open skies to Asia's mountains, there are 23 species, each adapted to sniff out death from miles away. They don't kill, they wait, they soar, they cleanse. And while they may not look heroic, vultures protect entire ecosystems, doing the dirty work no one else can. Without them, rot wins. With them, balance returns.